People of occupied Kashmir have made their stance clear in the recent assembly elections, rejecting the Bharatiya Janata Party and its policies aimed at suppressing the Kashmiri struggle for right to self-determination as pledged by the United Nations Security Council. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the outcome of the election results, Kashmiri Muslims who consider any elections held under the Indian occupation as farcical utilized the opportunity to prevent the installation of a Hindutva party chief minister. Shabbir Ahmed Shah, senior APHC leader and the chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, has condemned the Israeli aggression in Gaza and expressed solidarity with the Palestinian people from his jail cell in New Delhi's Tihar jail. Shah, in a message from the jail, expressed regret that the world is silently witnessing the violence and destruction inflicted upon the Palestinians and the Kashmiris at the hands of the oppressors. Body of a missing Indian Army man was found in the Islamabad district. The Indian Army man, identified as Hilal Ahmed Butt, who went missing during a cordon and search operation on the Tuesday evening, was found in the Kokarnag area of the district. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has maintained that seeking the restoration of the Article 370 from the BJP, the very party responsible for its removal, is nothing part of foolish. However, he added that this would not deter his party from keeping the issue alive and continuing their efforts. Umar Abdullah's remarks came in the aftermath of the 2024 sham polls held in occupied Kashmir. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has called for the peaceful protests across occupied Kashmir on Friday, October 11th, against the blasphemous remarks made by a Hindu priest, Yati Narsinghanand, against the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, urged the Kashmiri people and the religious scholars to take to the streets after the Friday prayers to condemn the rising incidents of the blasphemy by the Hindutva fanatics in India.